I've been wanting to make YouTube videos for a little while now, and I always feel like I would have to get ready, like shower, do my hair, put on a cute outfit, and I'm kind of sick of waiting. I think trying to be perfect stops you from creating content, but also making moves in your life and like achieving your goals. So I'm just gonna create this video while being myself and looking how I usually do in my daily life, which is in a hoodie and yoga pants and comfortable, especially right now when I'm trying to heal my Lyme disease. I got these so I got these under eye hydrogels, like little masks for under your eyes. I had like a breakdown last night about my Lyme disease, so I cried really hard, and so I broke blood vessels under my eyes. So yeah, that's why I'm putting these on. Maybe it'll help. Oh my god, I think I'm ripping them. How are they supposed to go on? Is this right? I think that's good. I hope they stick to my face. I think it's too close to my eyeball. Ow. Okay, let's do the other one. So after I put these on, we're gonna do some cleaning. I feel like crap, but moving is good. Especially when you're trying to detox, you don't wanna stay too still, then the toxins just sit in your body. So we're gonna do some cleaning with eye masks. Ah! Let's go. I filmed this video in December. I actually created it when I was struggling really bad with treatment for Lyme disease. I had one day that I felt a little bit better, so I figured I would get some cleaning done. I debated posting this because I mentioned crying from Lyme disease. I didn't want it to be a bummer or bring anyone's mood down, but the truth is we all struggle with something. Crying is just a release. It might be our physical health, mental health, family, or financial problems, but we are only human. Releasing our pain is so important. The thing about struggle is that it's only temporary. Everything in life is temporary, including life itself. When we are in the middle of struggle, we see no end. Matter of fact, when we are in the struggle, it seems like it is lasting forever. I'm sitting here today recording this voiceover, and I feel so much better than I did when I created this. At the time, I envisioned nothing for my future except for struggle and being unhealthy. I didn't see any goals being achieved. Today I sit here envisioning so many plans for 2020. I wanted to remind you that if you're going through something hard, I promise it isn't forever. If you're struggling right now, just do one tiny thing to inch you towards your future. If you can only clean one time a month, that's still better than not being able to clean at all. I also welcome you to try to accomplish things without living under the term sick or depressed, or with fear of worsening your situation. You are not only sick, you are not only depressed, you are healing. You are a strong warrior whose mind and body has everything it needs to pull you through. If we trust our bodies and release the heavy labels we put on ourselves, soon enough, we will not be those limiting terms. We will only be healed. One small step turns into two. Envision what your life looks like after struggle and keep going. to look at your entire life, but the immediate space around you. What can you do first to create a more organized and calm thought pattern? The space around us has an impact on our mood. Do one small thing. Do the best you can, and that's enough. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my first little cleaning video. The room is clean and my under eyes are moisturized. Love you guys. Hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments if you liked it and if you want to see more of this. So, talk to you soon.